Today I'm going to show you how to use the search filters when looking for a job on Indeed to get more jobs. So let's say you're searching for a job on Indeed. You're going to go and click up here and you are going to add in what you're looking for. So let's just click on retail over here. Now you're going to enter in, and these are now the filters that you can use to filter out what jobs you don't want to see. Okay, so I'm going to simply just click on find jobs right now, and anything that has the word retail in it will show up. Now, currently we have more than 2,000 jobs. If you see over here, these are the jobs that are available right now on Indeed. Now, what you want to do is you want to narrow it down so that you're not seeing 2,000 jobs. You want to see less jobs, which are more relevant to you. So go ahead, let's start with the city. And we are going to just narrow it down to a very particular city. You can see now we've gone from 2,000 all the way down to 600. All right, so we've got distance. Let's choose remote. So let's click on remote. And now we have about 25 jobs that we are now being able to view. Now, if you want to further filter this down, you can choose job type. Let's see if there are full-time jobs. If it narrows that down to 16 jobs, that's great. Job language, you can then choose the language and then also the date posted. Now, one of the most important filters for me is the date posted. So if you say within the last 24 hours, okay, I'm going to then change this. Let's just say within a certain distance again. So what we're looking for is date posted. This is the important filter. This essentially means that when somebody has posted a job, you are going to see it only if they've posted it within the last 24 hours. Now, why is this important? Well, if somebody's posted a job 14 days ago, there is a very high chance that that position has been filled. And in order for you to submit your application, it's going to be time consuming. You are looking for a job and time is money. So submitting a proposal or an application for a job that has already been filled is completely pointless. So you can do within the last 24 hours or within the last 3 days if you really are looking to stretch that a little bit. But what I would do is filter out to the last 24 hours, additionally use some other filters and narrow down at least 20 to 50 jobs and apply to, on the spot, at least 30 or at least 80% of those jobs that are available, of course, if you're applicable to those jobs. And that will increase your chances of actually being hired and reduce the time that you're spending looking for jobs.